As you can see, the S Play Mini looks very different to the S Play SP1, which is the original S Play, and that's because it serves a slightly different purpose. They are both a record and playback device, but the SP1 is designed for larger installations with its large 32 universes, whereas the Mini is designed for smaller installations and is a more affordable product for DMX installations. The S Play Mini does exactly what its name suggests. It's an S Play, just mini. So it has a similar web interface which allows you to connect to it via the network, and it has 2 universes of control. It is more budget friendly for smaller installations such as signage, shop fronts, bars, nightclub, live performances and brand activations. This is the perfect device for installations that require the triggering and playback of the S Play without needing many universes.